Welcome back, guys. This is Canadian Quarters Review. I'm Mark, and once again we're at Holeshot Motorsports in Langley, BC, Canada, and we're checking out this 2021 Honda Foreman 420. It's another great little workhorse. You're going to want to stick around. So Hondas have had a long-standing reputation about being built bulletproof and lasting forever, and this guy will be no different. This looks every bit as strong to me as any of the Honda products I've ever seen. This is a liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's 420cc displacement. Your compression is 9.9 to 1. Overhead valves, you've got two of them. You got your PGM FI electronic fuel injection. It's a 5-speed tranny with an automatic clutch, reverse and ultra low first gear, which would be awesome for around the farm and pulling stuff. This is not a power steering model. Your final drive is 2 and 4-wheel drive select, direct front and rear drive shafts, and a torque sensing front differential. So for your front suspension, it's going to be an independent double A arm with adjustable hydraulic shock. You're going to have 170 millimeters or 6.7 inches of travel. Your rear suspension is going to be a swing arm with single adjustable hydraulic shock, and it's going to have 170 millimeters or 6.7 inches of travel. Your tires are going to be Maxxis M978. And the fronts are going to be 24 by 8 by 12, and the rears are going to be 24 by 10 by 11s. Your brakes are dual 190 millimeter discs in the front and 160 millimeter sealed mechanical drum in the rear. Your length is 2104 millimeters or 82.8 inches. Your width is 1205 millimeters or 47.4 inches. Your ground clearance is 181 millimeters or 7.1 inches. Your wheelbase is 1269 millimeters or 50.0 inches. Your curb weight is 280 kilograms or 617 pounds. Your fuel capacity is 14.7 liters, including a 4.9 liter fuel reserve. Your cargo capacity, your front rack is going to be 30 kilograms or 66 pounds. Your rear rack is going to be 60 kilograms or 133 pounds. And your towing capacity is 385 kilograms or 850 pounds. And you got a 12-month warranty with unlimited mileage and free transferable here in Canada. This is another great workhorse from Honda, and of course you'll be able to take this out into the bush and go hunting with your buddies or quadding for the day. I would definitely recommend installing a winch on here for safety reasons, and some better 6-ply radial tires are definitely going to be an asset to you. Much better traction, much better longevity, and it just rides much nicer. Headlights probably could use a change too, to an LED light bulb. If you do a lot of work at night or a lot of riding at night, you're definitely going to want that. But a great bike, made so solid. This guy too will have the small front pocket, and you'll be able to get at your coolant here. Again, brilliant idea. Got your fuel on the front, like the Polaris's. So here's your locking front diff, that's awesome. Here's your 4-wheel drive button, and flick this up for your locking front diff. Very much like the Suzuki's, great idea. Of course, your throttle, digital gauge, and there's your headlights and your kill switch, and I'm still trying to figure out what that yellow one's for.